everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the amazing Morphe and Jeffree Star collab. So today's video, just because I am getting ready for work, I am going to do a neutral look, and I do feel like a lot of people are going like straight to the color of this palette, so I figured I would show you guys a neutral look. But if you guys do want a colored eyeshadow look using this palette, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you guys click on the little notification bell as well, just because I don't particularly upload on a regular consistent basis. So when I do upload a video, make sure you guys click that notification bell, that way it notifies you when I do upload a video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so this is the beautiful palette here. Honestly, I was quite shocked when Jeffree Star decided to release an eyeshadow palette with Morphe, in all honesty, just because like his eyeshadows are like super bomb. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like, and of course you guys have probably seen his video, but this is what the beautiful palette looks like. So yeah, I am going to do like a very basic like neutral look, and I definitely want to use the pressed glitter shade called Millions. I can say I am extremely excited because you know, the shade names are actually on the palette, which I have, like, this would be like my fourth or fifth Morphe eyeshadow palette, and Morphe has never been one to put shadow names on the palette, and I don't really understand why, because I feel like cost wise, like, it can't be like that much expensive. But yeah, also if you guys want a review, I think I'm also gonna do like a whole like collection review as well. I did get the brush set as well, and of course the setting spray as well. So to prime my lids, I am just going to go in with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I am just going to take that on my Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush. There we go. But I just love this brush because it's just like so fluffy, and it just blends out the paint pot so well. Now, Jeffree Star did mention that this eyeshadow palette does have pressed pigments in it, so just like the James Charles palette, I would recommend using like a paint pot from MAC, or an eyeshadow primer or base, like the P. Louise base, or basically something that's gonna be like tacky that the pigments can adhere to. Mainly because concealer is really good for eyeshadow, but concealer, it just like, it doesn't hold on to the actual pigment, if that makes sense. But if you have either the like a really good eyeshadow primer, like I still use to this day, is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, because I mean, that's just holy grail, and like that product's just never going away. Alright, so since I got the brush set here, I might as well use that. Now, his brush set does come with 10 brushes. So these are the beautiful brushes here. So I'm going to try and use as many as I can. He does have quite a few crease brushes, liner, just, you know, basic eyeshadow, and like smudger, just like an all around a really good eye brush set. So let's see here. Like, I kind of already know like what look I want to go for, but definitely just gonna be doing just a neutral look here. So using the JS5 brush, it's just like a fluffy crease brush here. I'm going to go into the shade called 1985, so it's this gorgeous tan shade here. And right off the bat, I do see a little bit of fallout, but I mean, that's okay. Right off the bat, I can say that the natural bristle hair brushes in his collection are quite soft compared to the other Morphe brushes that I do have. So if you guys are interested in a new eye set, I definitely recommend picking up this guy. Alright, so just to deepen up that shade just a little bit further, I'm going to keep that same brush and I'm going to go into the shade called Mr. Diva. It's the shade right underneath 1985. Shadows are really blending out beautifully, so that's really exciting. All right, so just to keep going here, I'm gonna go in with the shade called the Channel. Literally the first like shade names I am an absolute love. I think it is so cute. It literally says, "Welcome back to my channel." Wand noise. Love it. Alright, and then I'm mainly just gonna focus this orange shade more towards the outer corner and in the crease, just to deepen up that outer corner here. Next, I'm going to go in with the JS6, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Boss Angeles. So it's this terracotta brown shade right here. And I'm just going to focus this on the outer V here. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm basically just patting the shade just to keep the intensity on the shade. Alright, and then I'm just going to go back in with the JS5 brush and just blend out. I'm actually going to go in with the pressed glitter shade called Millions, and I actually have a brush that I just prefer to use for anytime I do pressed glitter. So this is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. I'm pretty sure this is just like I think it's called like a tapered I honestly love BH Cosmetic brushes. Oh, there we go. Okay. A lot. I just wish that they actually had the shade names written on the actual brushes. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create like a half, a little more than half cut crease as best as I can with the pressed glitter. I can honestly say I haven't really had much experience with pressed glitter, so this is probably like the third one I've actually have ever tried. I have messed around with the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. That one has 2 pressed glitters in it, and that one's okay. I just find that even when I have a glitter glue base underneath it, it still ends up like creasing. And then just to deepen out the outer corner just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the shade called Hi Dude. So it's this mocha chocolate brown right here. Just on the outer corner, just to deepen that up just a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to go back in with the JS5 and then just blend everything out. So nobody likes harsh lines. So next I'm going to take both the JS12 and the JS13 brushes. First I'm going to go in with the JS13, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Channel. I'm just going to run that right on my lower lash line. And then just to highlight the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Designer Label. I'm going to apply that to my inner corner and on my brow bone. So on the inner corner, I'm just going to take my Luxie Mini Round Brush. Out on me, but this is the final eye look I actually really enjoy. Now, I didn't really get to use all of these brushes, but honestly, like, they are so soft, guys. So I would highly recommend getting the brush set if you guys ever get a chance. I think just to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with the Lily Lashes in the shade Gaia. Is it Gaia? I'm pretty sure it's Gaia, but it's these lashes right here. So I'm just going to apply these lashes and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so I got my lashes on. So this is the final look. So without finishing it off here, of course I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Lip Ammo in the shade Allegedly. And then to line my lips, I'm going to go in with this Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade called Chic. Guys, so this completes the look. So of course we're gonna go in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star Satin Refresh Starberry face mist. Alrighty guys, so this completes the entire video. Like I said, if you guys want to see a more colorful look, give this video a big thumbs up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.